or false. If X is equal to Y, then this whole statement in between the parentheses is true. Otherwise, it's false. So if it's true, then execute the code block beneath it.
Hi, this is Randy Hilgers. I wanted to show you a new method of learning Microsoft products called SofTutor. Right here on the screen, I have the SofTutor Video Player. And what it's doing is the instructor is showing me how to use C#, and I'm following along with him at the same time. So he's teaching me C#. I can watch the videos. I can resize the SofTutor player and put it anywhere on the screen that I want. It's just a really great way. I can hit these little buttons here, N for normal, large for the full of a larger video, easier to see, S for a smaller video, easier to follow along with it, and back to N for the normal size. And then I can just kind of choose the lessons that I want to learn and open up the corresponding example files and follow along at the same time. It's a great way to learn, and you can download this product for free from nvsi.com/msdn and give it a try yourself. There are about 50 titles here that you can try. There's a beginner series for C#, HTML, and CSS3, JavaScript, Visual Basic. You can develop applications for the Windows Phone. You can develop applications for Windows Store. You can learn about big data, which is a buzzword in the industry. Learn about data mining, learn about Excel, learn about database fundamentals, learn how to create your own videos and edit them. Learn about Office, Office 2013, SharePoint, PowerShell, SharePoint. Here are some other SofTutor demos if you want to learn more about the SofTutor learning system. You can learn how to design user interfaces. You can learn how to design web pages with ASP.NET and web applications. You can learn how to write games, which is really cool. Although if you don't know how to program, we'd recommend taking the beginner series first and learning how to program first. You can write Windows 8 apps. You can learn about Hyper-V. You can write applications in HTML5. You can port applications from iOS, from the iPhone, to the Windows platform. You can do HTML5 for Windows 8.1. Here's a C# one. XAML for Windows Phone. So anyways, and this is growing. This list has changed a couple of times since I've been using this software. If you join the mailing list at nvsi.com, and I'll show you the page where you get this from. Here's a list of all of the titles that are covered in the product currently, and this list changes a lot. So if you're interested, join their mailing list, and they'll send you an email and tell you when there's a new version to download. I think the new version will talk about Office 365, networking, debugging, and teach you how to program the connects for the Xbox. And I think there's a couple of other things after that. So you can join the mailing list if you want to. Download the free product. You have to have a connection to the internet because all of these videos are kept on the internet. And these videos actually are just taken from Microsoft Channel 9. So if we click on this link here, if you'd rather learn from a web page, all of the videos are on MSDN Channel 9 Microsoft. It's one of Microsoft's websites. But it's a lot easier to learn in an application like SofTutor that runs inside of whatever software you're trying to learn. SofTutor also has another advantage called the quick search. If you come down here into find, and some of these titles, if you look at this title right here, it says FE. That means that it's follow along, learn by doing, and there are example files. But if you find a title that has F, if it has the S, or if it has the I means it's indexed, so you can find things for quick search. I'll just go to this. This product teaches you about how to make videos with Camtasia Studio. If you don't have Camtasia Studio, you can download a 30-day trial of it. And if we go back here, this is the New Vision Software Project web page. And if you scroll down to the same title, Marketing Help, here's the link for the 30-day trial. So you can teach yourself all about everything that you need to know about editing videos and making screen videos to help you market and sell your software or to teach others better. So I'm going to pause the video. So if the video has the I in it for indexed, and in this case it's got an SI, which means it's streaming indexed, which means the information comes to you very quickly. If I search for nothing here, the reason why I took this product is there are like 400 different things that are indexed. But I can search for like unselect and then just double click on it. It'll find the video, fast forward into the video, show me how to unselect, and then it's going to pause.
The quickest way to clear a selection made with these points is to double click the playhead.
Okay, so you just see like maybe about 6 seconds worth of training that just shows you how to do this specific command. A lot of these for the Microsoft products have not been indexed yet. So just a heads up there. Indexing does take quite a bit of time. So, but any event, if they're not indexed, they're lightly indexed. So if we go back to one of the C titles that are indexed, these are indexed right now just for the table of contents. Actually, I believe. So all of these really are just the table of contents that's indexed. So if we want to go back to our expressions and operators, we can choose that. Can also jump around a little bit.
User value equals 1. Y equals X plus 7. My first string.
So it's just a nice, easy way to learn. You can learn from the web page, as I've said before, although learning from a web page is a little cumbersome, because if we go into the same class there and we open up lesson number 7, it takes up a lot of the screen and makes it hard to follow along. So you'll end up watching the video, usually taking notes. Watching the video, taking notes, reading your notes, and then trying to follow along. Or you'll watch the video over and over again, or you got to keep toggling back and forth and playing and pausing and playing and pausing. Whereas if you're using the SofTutor product that's free, you can just follow along, learn by doing. He'll show you what to do. You follow along. You compile the code. It looks just like his code. And this happens to be Bob. I believe his name is Bob Tabor, and he's a good teacher. And there's a whole bunch of other teachers that are out there. Some products are easier to follow along with than others. This product, let's go back to the website again. If we go back to the SofTutor page, there are example files. So you can just click on here, download the example files, save them on your computer, unzip them, and open them up and follow along at the same time. He's teaching us C#. You can download the free, I have links up here on the website, Visual Studio Express Edition. So if you click on these, you can download the Express Edition so that you can follow along with it at the same time. Visual Studio Express is a free copy. So you probably do for Windows. and then download that. Or you can go back. There's another link up there on that page. The 2010 Express editions. And these are specifically for what you want to learn. So if you wanted to learn C#, that's what you click on. Now C# is very good to learn because just about every Microsoft product supports C#. So once you learn how to program in C#, you can write games, you can write phone apps, you can write Windows applications, you can write Windows programs, just a whole bunch of stuff that you can do in C#. So it's a good language to learn. Okay, thank you very much.